ninth problem. So that 1 plus tan squared by 1 plus cot squared equal to 1 minus tan a by 1 minus cot a whole square equal to tan square. We have to prove tan square. I will do this by two methods. This by one thing and this is by another thing. Okay. 1 plus tan square a by 1 plus cot square. Identity is secant square minus tan square equal to 1. Sec square equal to 1 plus tan square. Similarly, cosec square equal to 1 plus cot square. This will become sec square a by cosec square a. 1 by cos square a by 1 by sin square. Okay, this will go up, this will become sin square a by cos square a. This is tan square a, which is LHS. Okay, second problem, 1 minus tan a by 1 minus cot a. Convert this anything whole square by 1 minus tan a whole square. 1 minus tan a by tan a minus 1 by tan a whole square. This will get cancelled with minus 1 tan a whole square. Tan square a. Okay, hence proved.